Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word file using your desktop and in online. So first of all, open up any kind of browser, like I'm using Google Chrome, and search for small PDF. Now here you can see we are on a small PDF website, and click on that. Now here you can see we are on this site. Now here you can see that PDF to Word. Alright, so simply click on that, and here you have to drop or choose your PDF file you want to edit, you want to convert to Word. So simply upload that PDF file. Now click on that, convert to Word. Right, so there is another option which is convert to editable Word, which is OCR. So scanned pages will be converted to an editable Word document. Formatting could change. So yep, now here you can see as we have that option, we have to just simply follow the next step. Now here you can see you will be able to download, and let's see if I open this up in Word. Now here you can see that this is converted to doc file. Now here you can see you can edit this document as well. So that's how you do it. If you want to do any kind of changes, if you want to bring any changes to this document, you will be able to do that. So that's how you do it.